Hello and welcome to the Florida Rights Institute informational video series. We're going to be talking about Florida backyard gun ranges with an overview of the rights of gun owners to recreationally shoot guns on their property. Please note that the following presentation is meant for informational purposes only and is not intended as legal advice. Seek a licensed attorney if you need legal assistance for your specific situation. The Florida statutes limit recreational shooting in residential areas. Under Florida Statute 790.15, it notes, any person who recreationally discharges a firearm outdoors, including target shooting, in an area that the person knows or reasonably should know is primarily residential in nature and that has a residential density of one or more dwelling units per acre, commits a misdemeanor of the first degree, punishable as provided in Section 775.082 or Section 775.083. The key note to take away is that extra scrutiny will apply where one is shooting in a residential area. While the Florida statutes make it clear that residential areas are not the preferred area for target practice, there is language allowing for it. Florida Statute 790.154 notes a key exception. The residential restriction does not apply if, under the circumstances, the discharge does not pose a reasonably foreseeable risk to life, safety, or property. However, this exception can be troublesome to interpret as there is little statutory guidance to define the terms. And as the law was signed in 2016, there isn't much guidance yet in case law either. Due to the highly risky nature of shooting guns in a residential area, those wanting to shoot recreationally should seek professional guidance on how to avoid posing a reasonably foreseeable risk to life, safety, or property. The risk one creates could be interpreted differently in various lower courts due to the newness of the legislation. Until the Florida Supreme Court or the Florida Legislature defines the terms with more clarity, there will be a legal risk in backyard shooting. Thank you for listening to the Florida Rights Institute informational video on backyard ranges. For more informational and educational videos, visit www.floridarights.org.